Right, especially out in that heat, right?
It's you know, if there's one good thing, it's 517 now, and that means the sun angle's getting lower in the sky.
We've hit the top of the hill, and now we're going down.
Yeah, but it's a high hill to march down there, John.
Yes.
It's going to take quite some time. In fact, this morning we didn't get out of the 80s. Some spots in Phoenix, Lake Havasu City, Yuma, nighttime lows into the 90s. Where I'm from, if you hit 90s in the summer for daytime, that's a hot day.
Right.
All right, so here's some of the superlatives that we're going to bring you today. 112, that was Tucson's high temperature that we saw. It shatters, sometimes I write breaks, ties. No, this is shattering the old record of 109 set back in 1987. Sixth hottest day we've seen since the year 2000, so that's 18 years. All-time July record high, well, that was 114 set back in July 28th, 1995. All right, take a look. 112 here in Tucson. Triple digits all of southeastern Arizona. Remember, Safford was 112 yesterday. High pressure, as I mentioned, was going to shift a little bit farther to the west, and that's why we were hotter today in Tucson. It was 116 in Phoenix, 118 in Yuma, Lake Havasu City. No thank you. Not that we were all that much cooler. 109 down to, as I mentioned, it's going to be a kind of a long trek down that hill at the airport. 42 is the dew point, and temperatures still 115 in Phoenix, still 118 in Lake Havasu City, still seeing your daytime highs. And across town, 113 in the foothills, 107 Eastsiders. What's the okay, Mount Lemmon at 6,000 feet is 81 degrees. Heat risk today, tomorrow, all of Metro Tucson very high. Just don't go outside if you don't have to. That's probably the best advice. Had a little shower north of or south of Oracle, north of Mount Lemmon. That dissipated, and we had a couple showers here in Santa Cruz County. Wouldn't that be nice if that swings through the Tubac area here in the next couple of hours, cool you down. 109 again tomorrow, so a little cooler, not much. Still excessive heat warnings in play. And tonight's cool down, 8 o'clock. We're still into the upper 90s, so not much relief there. High pressure will finally start to drift a little bit farther to the west and then northwest, set up shop over Las Vegas. It'll be their time to bake. But what that means for us is we're going to get more moisture moving in here by the end of the work week. 0 out of 10 your monsoon prediction index tomorrow. Thursday 1 out of 10. Friday 2 out of 10. And then Saturday up to about a 3 out of 10. So starting to improve a little bit. But more excessive heat tomorrow. Daytime highs maybe 3 degrees cooler than today. But that's still good enough to tie a record that was set back in 1943. Yes, during World War II. 105 on Thursday. 10% chance of storms. 20% chance of storms on Friday. Hey, 30% chance on Saturday and Sunday, 90s for highs, and Monday looking active, 40% chance of storms, upper 90s. Going to feel like Siberia. Not really, but I mean, compared to the 112.
Break out the sweaters.
Yeah, really, seriously. And when it rains, it cools down to the upper 60s, lower 70s.